Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Today, we delve into the often overlooked potential of the side house garden with Add Beautiful Pathway. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This narrow space, frequently relegated to mere utility, can be transformed into a captivating feature that enhances both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your property. The side garden pathway, in its essence, is more than just a route from point A to point B. It is the deliberate structuring of a linear space, typically along the side of a house, to create a defined passage. This design considers not only the practical need for access but also the visual impact, the integration with surrounding landscaping, and the overall ambience of the garden. A well-designed side garden pathway should seamlessly blend with the existing architecture and natural environment, creating a harmonious and inviting transition. It is about maximizing the potential of a potentially neglected area and turning it into a purposeful and beautiful part of your home. Now, let us examine the benefits of designing a side garden pathway. The advantages are manifold. Firstly, a well-defined pathway enhances accessibility, preventing damage to surrounding plants and soil. It provides a clear, stable surface for foot traffic, particularly during inclement weather. Secondly, a thoughtfully designed pathway can visually lengthen and widen a narrow space, creating an illusion of greater depth and openness. It adds architectural interest and structure, breaking up monotony and creating focal points. Furthermore, a properly constructed pathway can improve drainage, preventing waterlogging and soil erosion. It also increases property value by enhancing curb appeal and overall landscape design. For those who enjoy gardening, it provides organized access to plants for maintenance. Finally, a well-lit pathway can improve security at night. Next, we address the critical question. How do I decorate my side garden pathway design to look good? Decoration is key to elevating a functional pathway into a visually appealing feature. Consider the following tips. First, strategic lighting. Install low-voltage landscape lighting along the pathway to highlight textures and create a warm, inviting ambience. Recessed lights, path lights, or even string lights can be used. Second, plant selection. Choose plants that complement the pathway's style and the surrounding landscape. Consider height, texture, and color. Low-growing ground covers or vertical climbers can add depth and interest. Third, edge definition. Clearly define the pathway's edges using materials like brick, stone, or metal edging. This creates a neat, polished look and prevents soil erosion. Fourth, decorative elements. Incorporate decorative elements such as garden ornaments, sculptures, or water features. These should be carefully selected to complement the overall design. Fifth, seating areas. If space permits, create small seating areas along the pathway. A simple bench or a pair of chairs can provide a place to rest and enjoy the garden. Sixth, vertical interest. Use trellises or arbors to add vertical interest and create a sense of enclosure. Climbing plants can soften the hard lines of the pathway. Seventh, material variation. Experiment with different pathway materials to create visual interest. Combine pavers with gravel or stepping stones with mulch. Eighth, color coordination. Choose plants and decorative elements that complement the color palette of your home and garden. Ninth, symmetry and balance. Create a sense of balance by placing plants and decorative elements symmetrically along the pathway. 10th, seasonal changes. Consider how the pathway will look throughout the year. Choose plants that provide year-round interest and change with the seasons. Finally, let us discuss the best materials for side garden pathway design. The choice of materials is crucial for both aesthetic and functional reasons. Consider the following materials options for side garden pathway. 1. Natural stone. Flagstone, slate, or cobblestone offer a natural, rustic look and are highly durable. 2. Brick. Brick provides a classic, timeless appeal and can be arranged in various patterns. 3. Concrete pavers. Pavers come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors, offering versatility and durability. 4. Gravel. Gravel is a cost-effective option that provides good drainage and a natural look. 5. Stepping stones. Stepping stones create a whimsical, informal pathway and can be made from various materials. 6. Wood planks or decking. Wood adds warmth and natural beauty, suitable for dry areas. 7. Decomposed granite. Offers a rustic look, is permeable, and compacts well. 8. Tile or terrazzo. For modern, sleek designs, these are suitable for covered side gardens. 9. Recycled materials. Consider using recycled materials like brick rubble or crushed concrete for an eco-friendly approach. 10. Permeable pavers. These reduce runoff and improve drainage, an environmentally conscious option. Ultimately, the best material will depend on your budget, style preferences, and the specific conditions of your side garden. Designing a side garden pathway is about more than just creating a path, it's about crafting an experience. By thoughtfully considering the design, materials, and decorative elements, you can transform this often neglected space into a beautiful and functional feature of your home. Remember to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on enhancing your home and garden. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.